Do you have a cat that's losing hair? You're kind of wondering what's going on? What can I do about it? Find out what probably is going on, some of the holistic answers in this video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Click there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications. And then when you click the link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book. Do you have a cat that is excessively grooming him or herself, resulting in hair loss? Murray here, he's had a few different bouts with some hair loss. I'm going to show you what I did. Maybe some suggestions could help you figure out exactly what's going on with your cat, what you can do about it. A common condition in veterinary practice, we used to call it psychogenic alopecia. Maybe it's stress, we don't know what. Whatever reason, your cat is excessively grooming themselves, licking themselves, resulting in hair loss. There are three common causes. Number one, we've got to rule out external parasites, fleas, and flea allergy. Number two, we need to rule out a food allergy. Then number three, we need to explore this condition called psychogenic alopecia, where there's some unknown stressor causing your cat to excessively groom himself. If we're dealing with fleas, or to rule them out, get yourself a flea comb. This like 50-cent little piece of plastic works really well. We're just gonna run the flea comb and just think of it like kind of like I don't know, a day at the spa. Oh, just running this comb through your fur, getting rid of all that dead skin. Doesn't that feel good? Oh, yes it does, kitty cat. It appears the Murray cat likes this. Oh, look really closely through your cat's fur. Look for the flea poop, that'd be the black specks, and or the eggs, and or the adult fleas. If you see any flea dirt at all, you suspect the possibility of parasites, then please first treat your cat for that. You'd be surprised at how many cats would come into the clinic. The pet parents are convinced there's some really strange cat disease, and sure enough, there's a flea. You could consider using something like this, diatomaceous earth. A good quality flea shampoo. I mean, it's just an easy way to start. Then in some cases it's warranted to use one of the topical flea insecticides, you know, something like the Advantage. No, I don't advocate to regularly use it, but if you've got your cat who's really uncomfortable, you've got this serious underlying skin disorder, you need to be ruling out parasites as the cause. So you got to use something first to at least rule that out. Food allergies are more common than you think. Originally in veterinary practice, we thought it was primarily attributed to this severe scratching around the face, the neck. You know what? It can show up in an array of different ways. It could just as easy show up as what we think is this psychogenic alopecia. Oh, get a gut. So you need to be doing a proper hypoallergenic food trial, especially focusing on the most common food allergens: dairy, fish, chicken. All right, Murray. That's why he's gonna get something unique like turkey. Oh. And he likes it. Oh, Murray, it's a good day for you. But say you've done that, you ruled out fleas, you ruled out food, your cat is still itching. Possibly then he has this psychogenic alopecia. Perhaps it's stress-induced. One, I think you should consider something like this: a good quality omega-3 fatty acid supplement. A standard cat dose, 500 milligram capsule a day. Oh, for you, Murray cat. Here you go, kitty. Here. For cats that have this psychogenic alopecia, really what we're saying is there's some form of stressor that's triggering them to do all this licking. So if we're going to treat them holistically, we need some type of supplement that's going to help just decrease their level of anxiety. In my opinion, a good option to try would be CBD or cannabidiol. A pretty standard cat dose, about 3 milligrams per day. So if you're using my CBD supplement, that would be equating to 1 drop a day. My last suggestion for you guys to consider is the sleep hormone, melatonin. When I was in veterinary practice, this was the only treatment that a number of cats would respond to. Because we know melatonin plays a big key role in terms of hair growth and how it's interacting with some of the other hormones throughout the body. The standard melatonin cat dose, 2 milligrams per day, half a tablet twice a day, morning and evening. You need to be giving it for somewhere between 3 to 4 weeks to see if it's going to be effective. And obviously talk to your veterinarian before doing so. In one study of over 20 cats that were diagnosed with this psychogenic alopecia, 16 of them, so like 3/4 of these cats, had an underlying medical cause. So you really need to be thinking about, like, does my cat have a food allergy? Do a proper hypoallergenic food trial. Rule out external parasites. You've got to rule out fleas and flea allergy as a cause. Thanks so much for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets. Click up there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and then when you click the link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book.